Horses out, beginning nicely at the start is Speed Admiral, moving up Shimmer Joe. Yeah, Yo is racing in third, moving up Arias and as Carmelita. Mr. Diego comes next, written in the stars. Sweet na Sweet also there, Air the Truth, then followed by Sweet Smooth, while King's Treasure is racing in last. And going along for the first turn, Speed Admiral, and on the outside is Shimmer Joe. 2.5 lengths away in 30 up Pioyo. Carmelita is on the outside. Down on the inside, Mr. Diego. Then followed by Written in the Stars. Sweet Smooth. Next on line is number 6, Sweet na Sweet, King's Treasure. And on the far turn, Speed Admiral, Shimmer Joe. Carmelita now moving up on the outside, and for the Pioyo, Mr. Diego. Speed Admiral back to a length lead. Moving up on the outside now is Carmelita, while Shimmer Joe drives back in 30 up Pioyo. Moving up right in the stars, and that's still Speed Admiral and Carmelita now moving up on the outside as they come there in the last 200. Speed Admiral, Carmelita is on the outside, last 100 meters. We've got Carmelita and Speed Admiral fighting up for the lead. It's now Carmelita, Speed Admiral, and finally Carmelita. Speed Admiral, Air the Truth, written in the stars, Mr. Diego.
Nakita nyo, instant replay ng race number 4 na Mayani, unofficially, kung si entry number 10, Carmelita, doing quarter clockings of 12.5.